In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you step by step how to achieve this gorgeous protective style yourself. By the end, you'll be looking at your own DIY crochet braids and saying, I actually did that. Let's go. Section 1, prep your natural hair. First we prep. A clean foundation is key for any long-lasting protective style for natural hair. Start with clean, stretched, and product-free hair. A sulfate-free shampoo and a quick deep condition are perfect. Then, blow dry on a cool setting. Next, detangle thoroughly. Every knot you miss now will be a problem later. For your braid pattern, use a tail comb to create 6 even rows from front to back. Section 2, the braid pattern, blueprint. Now for the foundation. A pro tip, start braiding at the crown, not the front. Your arms will thank you. Use a tiny bit of leave-in for slip. As you braid, only pick up hair directly from the scalp to keep the braid flat. Aim for the width of a drinking straw, not too chunky, not too skinny. Braid down to the end and secure it. A flawless, flat foundation is the goal for this easy crochet braid style. Section 3, how to install with a latch hook. This is the magic part, how to install the crochet braids. Grab your latch hook, open the latch and slide it under a cornrow. Close the latch on the pre-looped crochet hair and pull a small loop through. Now, open the latch again, pull the tails of the extension through that loop and tighten until it's secure. That's it. Section 4, shape and style your braids. Grab a little mousse or gel to smooth your edges and tame any flyaways. For a super laid down finish, tie a satin scarf over your edges for about 10 minutes. The warmth from your scalp sets them perfectly. Want to add some style? For instant curls or waves, just dip the ends of your braids in hot water for a few seconds. If this quick tutorial is helping you, smash that like button and hit subscribe. Section 5, longevity and maintenance hacks. Let's talk about how to maintain your crochet braids. To keep them looking fresh for weeks, always sleep with your hair in a satin bonnet. This is the most important step to prevent frizz. For daily maintenance, you can lightly mist your braids with a mix of water and leave-in conditioner, focusing on the mid-shaft to ends without disturbing the braids. And there you have it, gorgeous DIY crochet braids completely demystified. You learned the prep, the braid pattern, the install, and the styling. Drop your install time in the comments below.